NGB Platform is an open-source foundation for building accounting-first vertical business applications. In this video, I'll walk through the architecture behind NGB, documents, posting, registers, audit history, and reporting, and why these concepts matter for serious business software. Most business applications start as CRUD systems, tables, forms, grids, and a few workflows around them. That can work in the beginning, but serious business software eventually needs more. It needs auditability, durable business events, reversals, traceability, reporting, and a clear separation between business intent and posted effects. At the other extreme, large ERP suites are powerful, but often too heavy or too rigid when you want to build a focused vertical workflow quickly. NGB is designed to sit in the middle, a reusable platform core for accounting-centric business applications. NGB is not just a demo application, and it is not a generic CRUD framework. It is an open-source platform foundation where documents, catalogs, posting, registers, audit history, and reporting are first-class architectural concepts. The goal is to provide a reusable core that can support multiple vertical solutions while keeping the important business invariants inside the platform. At a high level, API hosts and web clients talk to the NGB runtime. The runtime coordinates documents, catalogs, posting, and reporting. Posting creates durable effects, accounting entries, operational register movements, reference register updates, and audit history. Postgres is the system of record. Vertical solutions such as property management, trade, and agency billing reuse the same platform core instead of becoming separate, one-off applications. The most important idea in NGB is simple. Documents are business intent. Posting turns that intent into durable effects. Everything else follows from that boundary. A business process starts with intent. For example, a lease, an invoice, a payment, or a charge. That intent is captured as a document draft. The platform validates the document using metadata and business rules. When the document is posted, it produces durable effects, accounting entries, operational register movements, reference register updates, and audit history. Reports do not rely on fragile UI state. They read from durable business truth. A document in NGB is more than a row in a database table. It has a lifecycle. It can be drafted, validated, posted, reversed, or marked for deletion when allowed. The important part is that posted effects are treated carefully. Instead of silently rewriting history, NGB uses append-only thinking and controlled reversal patterns. That makes the system easier to audit and easier to reason about. Posting is the boundary between intent and effect. The API receives a command and passes it to the runtime. The runtime validates definitions, payloads, and business rules. Then, posting logic builds the effects that must be persisted transactionally. Only after PostgreSQL commits the document and effects does the caller receive a successful result. This is where consistency matters most. A single posted document can produce several kinds of durable truth. Accounting entries capture financial impact. Operational registers capture domain-specific business state, such as open items, occupancy, inventory, or other operational balances. Reference registers capture effective reference state over time. Audit history preserves traceability. Together, these effects make reporting and document flow more reliable. Accounting entries are essential, but many business systems need more than a general ledger. Operational registers represent derived operational state. They help answer questions like, what is open, applied, available, occupied, reserved, or pending? Reference registers represent effective reference data over time. This lets NGB model financial truth and operational truth together, without reducing everything to generic CRUD tables. Reporting is a first-class subsystem in NGB. A report definition is planned, executed, read from PostgreSQL, transformed into a report sheet, and then displayed in the UI or exported. The same platform concepts support canonical reports and composable reports. The goal is to avoid a pile of ad hoc SQL screens and instead make reporting a durable part of the platform architecture. NGB uses definitions and metadata to describe catalogs, documents, forms, posting behavior, and reports. Vertical solutions define their own business concepts, but they reuse the same platform runtime. That means the platform can provide consistent validation, UI generation, posting orchestration, auditability, and reporting patterns across different industries. NGB currently demonstrates this architecture through multiple vertical demos: property management, trade, and agency billing. Each vertical has its own documents, catalogs, workflows, posting logic, and reports, but they all sit on the same underlying platform model. That is the main point. The verticals are not isolated applications. They are demonstrations of reusable platform architecture. NGB is built on a pragmatic stack. The backend is .NET. PostgreSQL is the system of record. The web client is built with Vue. The deployment model is designed with Docker and Kubernetes-oriented practices in mind. The goal is not to be exotic. The goal is to be durable, understandable, and production-oriented. If you want to understand NGB quickly, the best path is to start broad and then go deep. Start with the website to understand the positioning. Then read the architecture brief and architecture overview. Watch the intro video, explore the demo verticals, and then look at the repository structure. After that, the deeper technical documentation explains the runtime, posting engine, registers, reporting subsystem, and Postgres model. The most valuable feedback is architectural. If you have worked on ERP platforms, accounting software, internal business systems, vertical SaaS, reporting, or audit-heavy workflows, I would especially value your perspective. The areas where feedback is most useful are posting, registers, reporting, extensibility boundaries, integration opportunities, and ecosystem fit. You can explore the project on GitHub, read the documentation, or visit the NGB Platform website. If this architecture is relevant to your work, I would love your feedback. NGB is open source, and the goal is to build a serious foundation for accounting-first business applications.